again, and today I'm going to show you how you can create those beautiful waves in your hair. I'm the person who always loved straight hair because they are really easy to manage, but recently I tried this a wave with go by Bedhead, and I am loving this tool because this just not give you the waves, it gives you a volume and a bounce that you guys gonna love. And before I start, I'm going to show you these are my natural hair. I naturally dried it. I did not use any hair dryer, or I did not use any straightener, because I think straight your hair and then make a wave does not make any sense. So before I start, I will divide my hair into sections so it will be easy to work with. So keep watching.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the point.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair, and last thing I'm going to use is just spray a little bit so they can stay like this for a long time. I'm using this one by L'Oreal, and just spray it a little bit. This one is a medium one. Yeah. And then just do like this, so then they look more wavy. Just scrunch them. Yeah. And this is done. And let's see how the
Come on. I said 1, 2, 3. 아직도 내가 네 거라는 착각은 그만.
Okay guys, so this is I'm done with my hair. I just spray them and I'm just crunching them so my waves or curls can stay longer. It gives you a very good volume, and you guys can style them as you like. And the curls will stay like that. So, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can ask anything about products in the comment below. I have mentioned everything in the details. So see you soon. Bye.